Hi, this video demonstrates how to do a find and replace of a variable in Control Expert. So let's get to it. I have a section here, and in this section I have var _ 2, and that's being used 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to find var 2 and replace it with another variable. How do I do that? Well, let's go to var 2 here, initialize search, and here it's telling me that var 2 is being used 4 times. Now I want to replace var 2 with let's say var 11. So I select this option here, this one, show, hide, replace control. Then I select all the instances of var 2 that I would like to replace. Here, and here. All 4 locations where it's being used. And I want to replace it with var 11. Now var 2 is also in my animation table, but most likely I won't be replacing it there. I could, but in Logic, I just want to replace it where it's being used in Logic. So with var 11, I just indicate var 11, _11, and I select replace. Select yes, and notice how var 2 is replaced with var 11 4 times. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you do a find and replace of a variable in Control Expert. So thanks for watching.